Hello everyone, in this lecture the difference between prefix and suffix is going to be explained in detail with understandable examples. But, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe the channel and like the video. Let's first learn prefix. It can be defined as: a prefix is a group of letters that is added to the beginning of a word to change its meaning. What does it mean? Simply, it means that a prefix is nothing but just a group of letters that is used to the beginning of the word to change its meaning. Basically, there must be a question in your mind that why some letters are used. The answer is that prefix is used to change the meaning of the word. Just look at this word. Happy. Look at this word, it means glad, but if we add these two letters, un, so it becomes unhappy. You can see, we add this two letters at the beginning of this word and its meaning is also changed due to this prefix, its meaning is not happy. There are so many examples like: look at this word, right. If we add prefix, re, so, it becomes rewrite. The meaning of this word also changes because with this prefix it means to write something again. While on the other hand, suffix can be defined as: a suffix is a group of letters that is added to the end of a word to change its meaning. Basically, by this definition the thing is clear that it also refers to the addition of letters, but it is used at the end of the words. Actually, it also changes the meaning of the words. Just look at this word. Help. When we add suffix, full, to the end of this root word, it becomes helpful. Actually, the word help is a verb, and when we add full with it then it becomes an adjective. Look at the word care. When we add less to the end of this word then it becomes careless. Again its meaning has been changed due to this suffix. So what is the conclusion? The conclusion is when we add a group of letters at the beginning of the word is called prefix. And when we add a group of letters at the ending of the word is called suffix. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this lecture, but please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.